What is up YouTube, this is BRoll2TV back with more for you to see, and today we have a special video. This one right here is near and dear to my heart because it is a dream of mine coming true. Ever since I started this channel back in 2016, one of my biggest goals was to get recognized by a company or be able to get sent a pair of sneakers, and finally today is that day. Bam! We have the Puma RS Dreamer in the Nrgy red colorway. Let's go ahead and get this thing right open. Okay, look at this beauty right here. As you can see in the back, before they even sent me a pair of these, I already had a pair of the Dreamer 2s, and this is the mid version in the yellow and black colorway. This is one of my favorite sneakers, no cap, of 2021. This one right here, but this one is on the come up because, as many of you guys know, one of the biggest things when it comes to me and my sneakers is I like to stand out. Anytime that I get my sneakers and any new one that I get, I always love to have different colorways that definitely stand out and catches people's attention. Now, as you can see right here on the side, you can see the Puma swoosh that's going on the sole. Something that they continue to do on this version of the sneaker is that they kept that rope going out throughout the side of it. Moving on to the inside, you can see this nice suede patch. Something that I really like about this whole sneaker is just the inclusion of all the different kind of materials. As you can see, the sole itself is very chunky and it's kind of like a dad shoe kind of vibe, and I really like that actually, because every time that I was sitting there pushing off on my heel or pushing off the front, there was a lot of cushion right here, especially in the back, and it's something that made it really comfortable and something that I feel like I could have played for a lot of games. Moving on to the back of the sneaker, you can see that it has that Dreamer logo, which is J. Cole's logo in collaboration with Puma. And then as you can see right there on the front, on the tongue, you can see that it has the Puma's logo, RSD in the red. And it's just an overall beautiful sneaker. The reason of why I ended up getting these is because there was a contest that Puma ended up having where you kind of like post and promote this sneaker that was coming up. There was no information really in the story that I got, so I didn't know what sneaker was going to end up coming to me from Puma, but I ended up reposting it, and next thing you know, I got in contact with Puma Hoops. So the first thing that Puma ended up sending me out was a camcorder and a disposable camera. They ended up sending it to me in this case right here. It was really kind of cool to be able to get this case that had Puma Hoops branding all over it, and they didn't send it in a box or anything. It was just sent in this briefcase, and the note inside of it just said, have fun with the sneakers, take photos and take videos. And it was really cool because they had a actual tape recorder, you know, like one of the old ones with the cassette tape inside of it, and on top of that they had a disposable camera that was inside of that briefcase. And at the end of the day, me and my friend Will Andrews, who is somebody that goes to school with me, ended up getting 2 pairs of these in the Nrgy red, and I ended up gifting them to him just because he was there for me and was able to help me film this promo. So major shout out to Will Andrews. Shortly after getting the sneakers, we actually ended up planning them and getting a whole bunch of footage on the tape recorder. Go ahead and roll that B-roll. So as you can see, we had a little bit of fun, and actually we ended up playing a basketball game, like an actual basketball game, shortly after that. So as you can see in the B-roll, it was more or less just kind of like doing a shoot around. And I gotta be honest with you guys, something about these sneakers right here, it's special because I personally am scared of wearing low top sneakers when I play basketball because of my ankle injury. So I was taking a risk by wearing low tops out there, but I trusted it and I went ahead and played. And I have to be 100% honest when I say this. I think it's one of the most comfortable basketball sneakers that I have ever played in. But this definitely is probably one of my favorite basketball sneakers, including that one right there, the Dreamer 2, which the mids right there are definitely more for my ankle protection. But this one right here in this colorway for a street ball kind of situation is just dope. I was breaking necks out there, breaking ankles, not mine, of course. And I just had a lot of fun playing in these, and just the fact that I'm able to play with these. And I think that one of the biggest things that I thought was the coolest thing is the fact that I kept thinking when I was playing, I got sent a pair of these by Puma themselves. Not many people have this sneaker, and on top of that, I was sitting here watching NBA players have it, and general release has not even happened on this sneaker yet. So I thought it was really cool to have the opportunity to be able to not only review this sneaker right here, but also the fact that Puma was able to send me over that kit that they had and be included in their promotion for this. So hopefully I'm able to get a clip or something like that before I end up posting this up, but I think that Puma is going to end up using it on their social media and whatnot. But I am so grateful for Puma Hoops for sending this to me. I hope that I have future opportunities, not only with Puma, but just any brand in general, because this was a very special moment, and I know for a fact that these sneakers will never ever leave my collection because these mean the world to me. Although it wasn't directly sent just because of my YouTube, it was sent, you know, from the brand itself. And being able to have an exclusive opportunity to be able to check these out and just be able to review them and just have fun with them was just like a dream come true, and it's something that I've always wanted ever since I've had this channel. And so it just meant a lot to me, and everybody that was there, Matt, Will, you know, thank you, and I appreciate you guys for being there for me in this huge moment in my life. And I know that, you know, some people are just like, oh man, it's just shoes. But you guys don't understand how much this right here means to me. So on top of that, the most satisfying thing about this is that these sneakers right here are actually the RS Dreamer. The whole point of these sneakers are making your dream come true. And obviously it's a collaboration with J. Cole, but essentially it's about making your dreams come true. And that's what happened when I got sent a pair of these from Puma Hoops. So Puma Hoops, I'm forever grateful for this. And like I said, never leaving my collection. Overall, guys, I really just wanted to say, you know, thank you guys for joining me for the journey. And not only just the journey, and the fact that you guys always stuck by my side and were able to be there to support me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And please be sure to share. Oh my God. Dreams are coming true. 2021, we popping already. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. BRoll2TV, out.